Air pollution is an important environmental issue in India affecting the public health, economic growth, and the quality of life caused due to rapid industrialization, urbanization, and vehicular emission. The problem of air pollution has been out of control. In this article, we are going to cover all about air pollution in India and ways to control it. Air pollution. Air pollution refers to the contamination of the atmosphere and the environment due to harmful substances that affect human health, ecosystem, and the climate. Air pollution appears in the form of gases, solid particles, and combination of both. Causes of air pollution include industries, vehicles, burning of fossil fuels, and natural processes like dust storms. Air pollution is one of the most serious forms of environmental pollution all over the world. Air pollution in India severity. The deterioration in the quality of air in India has been an alarming issue in India for over 2 decades. India is ranked as one of the most polluted countries all over the world with high levels of particulate matter PM 2.5. In 2021, about 97% of pollution will have been exposed to PM 2.5 levels exceeding WHO's air quality guidelines, putting people at risk for severe health problems. Urban cities like Delhi and other metropolitan cities have constantly failed to meet the air quality standards. Small towns and medium-sized cities are also now a victim to rising levels of pollution. Apart from particulate matter, pollutants such as nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, and toxic compounds are contributing to the crisis. Air pollution effects. Air pollution in India has the following effect. Health impacts. Causes respiratory disease like asthma, bronchitis, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, increase the risk of cardiovascular problems and premature death. According to the Health Effect Institute, annual deaths from air pollution in India are projected to rise from 1.1 million in 2015 to 1.7 million in 2030. Environmental impact. Pollutants contaminate soil and water bodies, harming ecosystem and biodiversity. High emission of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides cause acid rain which damages crops, forest, and aquatic systems. Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane exacerbate global warming and climate change. Economic impacts. Declines agricultural productivity by degrading soil quality and crop health, raises health care costs due to increased disease burden, reduces labor productivity owing to illness-related absenteeism. The annual economic cost of air pollution in India is estimated at over $150 billion. Air pollution controlling measures. In order to control air pollution, the Government of India has taken up the following measures. The Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 provides a legal foundation for regulation of air pollution all over India. The Central Pollution Control Board (CPCB) and State Pollution Control Boards have the power to monitor and regulate air quality. The National Ambient Air Quality Standard provide permissible limits for 12 key pollutants, forming a basis for monitoring and compliance. Introduction of cleaner fuels like CNG, LPG, and biodiesel. Setting up nationwide monitoring networks to access ambient air quality. Enforcement of Bharat Stage 6 BS6 vehicle emissions norm nationwide since 2020. Adoption of common pollution control facility to reduce industrial emissions. Promotion of green trackers and installation of smog towers in high pollution zones. Air Quality Index. The Air Quality Index is a simple color coded system that provides people with accessible information on air quality. It uses a one number, one color, one description model to make data easy to understand. AQI covers 8 pollutants: PM10, PM2.5, NO2, SO2, CO, O3, NS3, and PB. The quality of air is divided into 6 categories on the basis of pollutant concentration and health impact: good, satisfactory, moderately polluted, poor, very poor, and severe. Each category indicates potential health risk ranging from minimal effects to severe health impacts even on healthy individuals. National Clean Air Program (NCAP). The National Clean Air Program was launched in 2019 as a national strategy to fight against air pollution. Aims to achieve a 20-30% reduction in PM levels by 2024. 2017 was base year, revised to aim for a 40% reduction by 2026. The key focus area includes strengthening monitoring networks, public awareness, and capacity building. Air pollution institutional measures (CAQM and CAP). The Commission for Air Quality Management was set up by the Air Quality Management in NCR and Adjoining Areas Act 2021 to ensure balanced action in NCR and neighboring states. Comprehensive action plan has been designed for Delhi NCR to meet air quality standards through time-bound targets for clean air, regional cooperation across state emergency response system to reduce exposure during pollution peak, addressing both seasonal sources, stubble burning, firecrackers, and consistent sources, vehicular and industrial emissions. Graded Response Action Plan (GRAP). GRAP was introduced in India in 2017 as an emergency response framework for Delhi NCR. It prescribes graded measures based on air quality index levels: moderate, poor, very poor, severe, and severe plus. The plan ensured incremental actions such as traffic restriction, construction bans, and industrial shutdown during severe pollution episodes. Implementation requires coordination among 13 agencies across Delhi, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Air pollution control measures. In order to control air pollution, the following measures can be opted: promotion of clean energy sources such as solar, wind, and geothermal power, adoption of energy efficient appliances such as LED bulbs to reduce energy demand, encouraging public transportation and carpooling to reduce vehicular emission, energy conservation practices at household and industrial levels, improved traffic management and enforcement of emission norms.